Is your DoorDash app frozen or not responding to your touches? You're not alone. Most responsiveness issues stem from software glitches, like memory overload, not hardware problems. The quickest fix? A force restart. This clears the app's temporary data without losing progress. On iPhones with a home button, hold the power and home buttons until you see the Apple logo. On newer iPhones and Androids, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. DoorDash's own troubleshooting guides recommend this as the first step because it resolves about 60 to 70% of app freeze issues. In fact, DoorDash crash rates dropped by 18% in 2025 after emphasizing this fix. If a simple restart doesn't work, try the force restart. It's a simple but powerful first step. If force restarting didn't solve the problem, first make sure your screen is clean. Dirt or fingerprints can interfere with touch response. Next, calibrate your touchscreen. On Android, go to Settings, then Display, then Touchscreen Calibration. On iOS, check accessibility settings to ensure proper touch calibration. Clear the DoorDash app's cache regularly. Go to Settings, Apps, DoorDash, Storage, then Clear Cache to remove corrupted data. Grant all necessary permissions to DoorDash, such as location and storage access. This ensures the app functions properly. Finally, keep both the DoorDash app and your phone's operating system updated. The latest version 12.8.0 includes error handling improvements for touchscreen issues.